Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I would be revamping this wig. It's supposed to be a bob wig, but you know how it is. It's been a while, it's been taken care of, so I will be revamping this hair now. This hair is from Dr. Hair and Beauty. You can check us out on Instagram at Dr. Hair and Beauty. So I'll be revamping this hair today. I'll be making it a bob. I want you to see how I do it, and maybe you should try it on your wigs and or on your waves. Okay, tune to the end of the video to see what it's going to look like at the end of this video. If you haven't joined the family yet, this is the time to do so. Please subscribe, like and comment. Let me know if this is how you revamp your wig. Let me know if this is how you do your wig, or share with me on how you do your wig. I'm going to try that out. And yes, this is what we'll be using. I'll be using my stretcher, and it's called Sonia. I don't know if you can see it, and I am heating it on 220 degrees. Heating it on 220 degrees. I don't know if you can see. This is what I'll be using. I'll be using my small comb, my tail comb. I'll be using my hair clip, and I'll be using this, my wig on brush. So please stay tuned and let's get right into today's video. This is what we have. So I have my rubber band. I tried out try to divide it into smaller portions. As you can see now, I tie it up. So this is what we should do with first. Okay, so the first thing I do is to portion it in smaller sizes and bring our see, take it straight and you just bend it a bit at the end, just a small bend, a little bend. Yeah. You do same with this. Straight and bend. You have to be careful with your hand because it's quite hot. Straight and bend. Make it straight and bend. looking like. So it's remaining this part. It's remaining this part of the hair. So let's deal with it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this has been helpful to somebody out there. and I hope you're going to try it, and let me know in the comment section if this is how you revamp your wig or something. Just let's have a conversation in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Join the family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you guys.